What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of After 5 Garage. We are over at my boy, we're over at my boy Mr. Tuesday's house. You want to tell the beautiful people what we're doing?
Yeah, I invited Matt over. Matt is gonna hook us up with a wonderful interior LED interior for Mrs. Tuesday's car. As you guys might know or might not know, Zoe's gonna go off to greener pastures, no pun intended. And
That was good.
yeah, it was. I'll let you take it away.
So basically, I'm gonna be selling Zoe here shortly. So I've just been selling things that, really don't add value to selling the car. So I'd rather them go to a good home to where, I'm gonna see these guys often. I'd rather just see the parts live on in another car where someone else can enjoy them like I did. Basically, we're gonna be. Let me just show you real quickly. We're gonna go ahead and put a strip right here on the door. A strip right here beside the steering wheel, a strip right here inside the steering wheel. We're going to do a strip right here on the passenger door going along with that fabric. And then Mr. Tuesday and I are going to decide if Mrs. Tuesday would enjoy the light bar lighting up this glass, or we could just light up this cubby. Beautiful hand modeling. Look at this. So we have, I would estimate with the filming and everything, it is going to take a little bit of time, but most of the interior is going to have to come apart. We're going to do our best to record everything we can, and we're gonna light this bad boy up. I'm going to be straight up with you, man. Doing this with a convertible is going to make it a lot easier.
There's no roof.
Exactly.
I mean, I could put a roof on it if you want.
No. Let's keep it down. So yeah, I say personally, let's start with the door panels, kind of give us a little hope and a little motivation. Also, they came by the other night. Mrs. Tuesday is now rocking the taillights I had on my car. I love these because they have a turn-on pattern and they have the sequential turn signals. I love them so much. These are so beautiful. She also got the sequential startup right here. I hooked her up with a little third brake light down here at the bottom. She wasn't expecting that, but might as well hook her up. Down here at the bottom, there's a little door, if you will. You're just going to pop it off right here. That's going to expose the two 10mm bolts right there. Up here, you want to try to be as careful as you can. Pop this little plastic off, like so. There's a 10mm bolt up there. And then just to be extra safe, you want to pop off this window switch. Like that.
You're such a professional.
Think so? There we go. And then just to get this out of the way, you want to depress this right here, pull that off. You just want to lightly pry up right here. And if you look down in there, it exposes the 10mm. So that's what's holding our door panel. Pop that off. There's the bolt. Okay, there's the airbag. Passenger side, white is your positive and black is your negative. Just to make it easier for us to tuck the LED strip and run the connector, we're just going to free up some of these Phillips head screws right here. We cut out all the boring part. We went ahead and took off the driver's side door. Mr. Tuesday went ahead and
did something, guys.
Looks good. I can't wait to light this thing up. So we're gonna go ahead and tap the harness for the driver's side. So we just hook up our hot to our purple, our black to black. We should be good. Should. We won't know until the master controller's in. So we're just gonna kind of leave everything. This is the master switch. Power and ground. That's gonna basically give us power to our Bluetooth, more or less. What I would like to do is just have it sitting up here, probably right there. I'll have it double side taped. And then as far as grounding it, I would like to find somewhere maybe on here.
All right, Matt.
All right, so we just had to make a slight wiring change. I tapped into the wrong wire, but as you can see, everything is working. And yeah, we just got the door pads finished. So if I turn this off, it gives it a little bit of a delay, but they do shut off. Turn it back on.
Fancy schmancy.
Yes, sir.
Where do you learn to do all this stuff?
So we'll take it back because we're going to be doing the wiring for a little bit. Junior year, I actually got suspended for about 10 days. I had a laser pointer. It was such a stupid reason. It's not even like a cool reason, but whatever. So when I was suspended, at the time I had a Mazda Miata, and I wanted to put a radio and a sound system in it. And at the time, Freeman Audio was just charging outrageous numbers, at least for a high schooler. So I was like, all right, well, I might as well learn. YouTube really wasn't big at the time.
Trial and error.
Yeah, it really was. And I had 10 days, no school. A long time ago, I just remember sitting on the couch with my father, and I just remember telling him, oh, I'd never do wiring. Oh, that looks horrible. So tedious. And here we are. Doing wiring. Actually started a headlight company many, many years ago. And I enjoyed it. It was fun, but just doing everything by myself just really got to me.
Talking about like headlight restoration, right?
Nope. So custom retrofitting. So if you needed headlights, projectors, halos, demonize, it was fun. I enjoyed it. Just got overwhelming after I think it was around 6 or 7 years. That's about how long I did it. And then after, a little bit in between, I went to school for Tesla. And I learned a lot there. That was nice. And then I became a Tesla technician, and then had a little bit of a career over in at Tesla for a little bit. But yeah, I've just always liked wiring and lights, and it's just fun for me. Here we go. Bam.
So you're connecting the master controller connections up to that module for the dash lights.
Dash lights, yep.
Headlights. We have a light.
Oh man, tonight's gonna be awesome.
I might have to call into work tomorrow. Wait.
And then if I turn the car off, cool.
Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
All right, so my boy.
It's not my car, although I wish it was right now because it's out of commission. But Matt, you did a great job. It's working. We got the dash lights on the passenger side, the dash lights on the driver's side, passenger door going on. We got rear going on here. I think she likes it. I hope she's gonna like it.
And then we just gotta put the center console back together.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tonight's gonna be sick. Now that we got the whole interior LED ambient interior light taken care of, we're gonna hook her up with some LED map lights. Just gonna throw a little plastic wedge tool right there. And now instead of white halogen, compared to around there, it goes around there. So this is the interior lights. We went ahead and closed the garage door.
Man, this is dope as shit. This is really dope.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah. Matt and I have to go out tonight to get some car parts.
Well, you guys got the fit, you got the robe.
Oh no, see the way this, yeah. Oh yeah, that's sick. Oh yeah, the app. Let's get you guys hooked up with the app. Where are you going?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me?
And That's how you do that.
Yeah.
What are we thinking? What are our thoughts?
Mrs. Tuesday is ecstatic about it. She loves it. She just saw it. She just did the whole test drive without test driving it, but she likes it. She loves it.
Good.
I love it. Shit.
Good.
Makes me want a Z now.
Honestly, and it makes me feel good that the parts are going to a good home. I'm going to be able to still enjoy the parts, even though it's not on my car personally. I still get to see them being...
We'll take care of them, bro. I promise.
Exactly.
I promise.
So, yeah, thank you again for tuning into another episode, After 5 Garage. We'll see you guys in the next
like and subscribe. Stop being a
look at
weeb.
me. I'm forgetting. Yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah. Help the boy out.
Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Later.